So here we have our Arduino code to go ahead and set up our board to start collecting data using the photocell pin as well as a button. And so here, this is something that was worked through in the workshop, and I just modified it to only correspond to these two specific components. And then from there, we went into IO Adafruit and looked at the feeds that and the values that it was collecting. And here, this is the code that we also worked through in P5js in the workshop as well, where each feed, if you were to see here, these are the components that we used in that workshop. So button knob photo, feed, as well as corresponding here. And we use the API URL to go ahead and connect that to the Adafruit. And from there, that is where we have our sketch, and it'll create something from the values, from those last 10 values that it has recorded. And so every single time that the device is that my Arduino board is connected or powered, it should be receiving data via internet here at our home, and these would essentially be changing. And at the moment, it's not because it's not connected. And so using what we did in the workshop, I went ahead and modified it so that it corresponds to only those two components that I showed for the photocell feed, for the photocell pin, as well as for the button. And yeah, that is how I have so far set up my board and how I want it to connect with my sketch.